Narrated by Zayd bin Khalid al-Juhani, a man asked the Prophet ﷺ about the picking up of a luqata, fallen lost thing. The Prophet replied, recognize and remember its trying material and its container and make public announcement about it for a year. Then utilize it, but give it to its owner if he comes back. Then the person asked about the lost camel. On that, the Prophet ﷺ got angry, and his cheeks and his face became red. And he said, you have no concern with it, as it has its water container, its feet, and it will reach water and eat the leaves of the trees till its owner finds it. The man then asked about the lost sheep. The Prophet ﷺ replied, it is either for you, for your brother, another person, or for the wolf.